Good afternoon, everybody. Kyle Neal, General Manager at Rogers Toyota. We are at the Nez Perce County Fairgrounds with the car show and sale, Battle of the Brands, as it's so known. So you got everybody here today, all the franchises in town. We're all here. We've got all of our new cars in one spot. So it's a great thing. It's a great opportunity for you guys to come in and check out everything and kind of get to see, what everybody has and see what the competition is. We're Toyota, so we don't have a whole lot of competition. But we just love to have you guys up here. We're here till 7 o'clock today. And right behind me, actually, is kind of one of our new featured stars. It's the 2019 RAV4 Adventure Series. So this bad boy, if you'll notice, has a black exterior, but it's also got a two-tone, so it's got a silver roof. It's got the new adventure grade interior in it. So it's got some orange accents of sorts, and really stylish, really new. What's great about the new RAV is 30 more horsepower, 5 more MPGs in the city, 6 more on the highway. So a net of combined fuel economy of 30 miles per gallon. Sorry, you guys, like a little tongue-tied today. But anyway, there's lots of cars here. We got at least 1 or 2 of everything up here, and then we have the rest of the lot back at the store, at the showroom, ready to go. We have sales staff here, we got sales staff there, we got management staff, we got car wash guys, both places, so we can take care of you in every spot this weekend. We are there at the store till 7 o'clock tonight. We are here till 7 o'clock tonight. So a great time. It's our New Year, New Ride sell promotion at Rogers Toyota. So if you combine that with Battle of the Brands, it's a great opportunity to get a new Toyota and save big. So we hope to see you guys in here. Come on down, stop by, say hi, and otherwise, have a great weekend, you guys. Thank you. Woohoo!